Hi guys, so nice meeting you guys again. So what we are going to do for this tutorial will be how to create a project in Netbeans. So let's look at this. So first what we will do is we will go here, file, and then we click new project, and then after that we are going to click on Java. Okay, and then after that we will click on Java application. Okay, and this Java application, just double click it and you will be here. So let's give a name to this project. So I'm going to say my first Java project. Once you have keyed that in, you just have to click finish. If you can view, I have my first Java project here, if you can see this, and then we have my first Java project dot Java project, which is already saved here, and they have the source packages and so on. So guys, if you can, like us below. If you love our videos, just keep subscribing us and we will be adding more and more videos that can basically give you a very big benefit. So guys, thank you. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye.